Alright, hello YouTubers. So I made a video there a couple of months ago of me making Intarsia. A bunch of people were crying that they didn't like my editing, my sound effects, I guess. Well, it's a little boring just listening to the jigsaw hum, so I spiced it up a bit, and of course some people cried about it. Listen, some people don't even think that I made those Intarsias. So here's one behind me that I've made. So I'm in this, my ugly mug, just so you can see it's really me that I made this. I got other ones here, you know, I could show you in a minute there. Let's just pan over here. I don't know if you can see, there's another one there that I made. I'm going to show a little video just of a bunch of the ones that I made. Some of the photos aren't that good because I took them a long time ago and I sold or gave away a lot of the woodworking I've done, so I don't have them in my possession anymore to take better photos. But anyways, little video just showing a montage of all the stuff I did, and hope you like it. Oh, look at this. This is a little something I made a few years ago. It's a keychain holder kind of thing at the front door. Welcomes people, and these are removable. So we got the deer here, and deer hunting season's over, so time to put up the snowman. And I made a whole bunch of other ones here. You got fishing season, Easter, Halloween, whatever, all different seasons. Kind of a neat idea. Not too hard to make those. And here we got another pretty complicated design. Judy Gale Roberts has made a lot of the designs that I have modified a bit. I added more animals to this than in hers, and this one's quite large as well. I put my dwarf hand in there, and you can see how large everything is there. There's quite a few hundred pieces in this one.